Hi, this is Dean Janssens, and this is my video for What is User Experience for MUX 2015-04. First question is, what do you understand by UX? UX is user experience. The user should not be frustrated while using your application. It should be error-free and pleasant to use. They shouldn't have a problem with navigation or any errors, and it should follow the platform standards, whether it's Android or iOS. If you have an Android application and it's trying to use iOS functions, those who use Android won't understand it, and vice versa. The iOS users won't understand Android functions on an iOS application. Uh, the application should be consistent in its design with the buttons, navigation, images, and the like. The device, if it uses sound, it should sound good. It should have sounds that are consistent with the application. The application should be free from any errors. The application should also be free of any spelling or grammar errors. And the application should also be suited for your target audience, for whichever application that you're designing. Why does UX matter? UX matters because there are so many applications for iOS and Android that if the user is frustrated by your application and they don't like the way it looks or navigates or any sort of problems with your application, they'll just go ahead, delete it, and move on to the next application. In what ways will you design apps differently? I'll look closer at user experience and look from the outside rather than from what I think the app should look like, and test with other people how they feel that my application looks. Otherwise, I'll just go ahead and do it my way, and it could be completely wrong for my target market. What criteria will you use to evaluate your applications? I'll make sure that the grammar and spelling errors are correct, that the application is bug-free, and that my layout is consistent with the platform that I am developing for. I'll also make sure that the application is appropriate for my target audience. What have you learned by looking at the UX of other apps? After looking at the CNN application, I realized how much that I dislike scrolling on an application, and I'd rather be able to point and click for the application. Seeing CNN on the Android device later on, when I purchased an Android device, there's more pointing and clicking involved than scrolling on an iOS device. And also on the website, there's more pointing and clicking, which makes it easier to navigate and get less frustrated about what you're searching for by having to scroll up and down. What have you learned from reading the HIG? What I learned from the HIG is that there's so much involved in designing an application and so much considerations for button sizes and sounds and what the capabilities of the device are, screen size, image sizes, buttons. There's a wide range of possibilities for your applications, and a wide range of possibilities that your application could go wrong. But then again, there's many ways that your application could be right based upon your experience with the particular platform that you're working on. This has been my video for What is User Experience. Thank you for watching.